going on, guys? My name is Dude7 and today we have a brand new video that I've been waiting to do for a long time, but I've been waiting for the right time to do it. And I think today is the right time to do it. We got the front bumper off the Mazda, everything is off the Mazda 3. I was just doing a little bit of hella horn troubleshooting, as you guys saw as in my previous video. So today we are going to be doing a independent fog light as our DRL for our cars. Basically why I'm doing this is I have a high beam as high beam LED as my DRL. So it doesn't work as a DRL anymore. So currently I don't have any DRL lights running. So basically how we're going to be doing this is I'm going to be running this fog light to a ground, and then I'm going to be running the power to a remote wire when I turn on the ignition. So basically, you guys can do there's so many other better ways, but today I'm going to be doing it the way I want to do it. I'm too lazy to go and get a switch, you know, get a button and all that stuff. So I'm going to be doing it in a sketchy way, but it's going to be a good way. So basically, every time I turn the ignition on, this light's going to come on and it's going to stay on. So these are going to be my new DRLs. And if you guys want, I wouldn't suggest doing it this way. I'd suggest doing it like a switch or something like that. But like I said, just because I'm doing it my way. So also I'll be taking the yellow film off my fog light and keeping them just plain white LEDs just to have a more cleaner and professional look. So let's get straight into the installation. It's gonna be really easy. It's just gonna be hard because I gotta run a wire to my cabin, so I gotta go through the firewall where my sub wire is running through. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So the first step of doing this obviously is to get it through the grommet up here. So I'm gonna try my best. It's gonna be a real hard one to see. Okay, so I just took the film off both sides. Now it was kind of nice to get this side off because when I tilted it over, the wrap was actually like moist in between, so it was coming apart. So I mean, looking at it right now, it looks a lot cleaner, a lot more better, and it will look better with the fog lights being white instead of like a weird yellow, because I don't have yellow actual lights, so it just made it really weird. But I like it already, and now to actually wire it, which is gonna suck. Okay, so now the power for one is connected. Now I haven't actually connected the power inside the cabin yet, but basically this just goes up and wires through the grommet, and then this one's gonna connect over to the other fog light. And then, so now I gotta do the ground. So the power cable comes down from the cabin, connects to this one. Now we got the power cable spliced into another cable that goes along, plugs into the power on this side. Now we got a ground coming from that side and that side. They both meet up here and they both connect into this, and that's another ground. So now that's all done. Now we head inside to the cabin, and you guys can see I wired it from under there, and then it comes over here where this connects into the cigarette lighter, and the cigarette lighter turns on with the ignition. As you guys can see, I've spliced the remote in there already, and I don't know how this doesn't blow up, but when we go ahead and turn it on, take a look, and the LEDs are both on and they're very bright, so hopefully they don't blow up. So there you go. That's how to install independent fog lights. Now you can't turn these off unless you pull the wire out of like the cabin or something like that, but I mean you can always make a switch from the remote wire if you guys ever wanted to. But that's basically how I'm doing my independence, and I think it's gonna look dope. Obviously I can't really have my car on ignition because I got a sub hooked up to it. I got this hooked up to it, so it won't last long on battery power. But I'm gonna go ahead and secure all the wires up, put it all back together, put the bumper on, and see how it looks. So everything is back up. Wire, I kind of like hid everything. I did the interior, put that all together, and now it looks really nice. It just makes the front end look a lot cleaner in my opinion, instead of the yellow, even with the yellow fog lights. So with just the one click, you guys can see that the fog lights turn on, and I think they look absolutely really nice. And I'm really excited because now I actually have a DRL, and you know, they're pretty bright too, so they, you know, act as a DRL. So I'm gonna go get some rolling shots so you guys can see what this looks like when it's rolling, and in case you guys want to do it. But anyways, that's the video for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. So basically 2 weeks later after installing this mod, everything's been fine so far. My battery hasn't decreased in any way, any shape or form, and all my electronics are running okay, which is honestly, I'm surprised, but everything's fine. I'm thinking of maybe doing like a switch just so I can turn it off when the car is off, just so when I, you know, turn on the ignition, it doesn't actually like turn on. But anyways, so if you guys want to do this, you know, go ahead. It's safe. It's, you know, I have so much power on that one fuse. I have my interior lights, amp remote wire, and then I got these LEDs as well. So I mean, it's supporting it pretty good. I think I probably won't put anything else on the wire now, but I mean, it's good for now. It's okay. I'm done now. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. If you guys are interested, I have a Cork Sport shift knob giveaway that I will be doing at 1,500 subscribers, and I will be announcing it at 1,300 subscribers. So as of now, we are about 25 away. So if you guys want to get that announcement, 1,300 subscribers is what you gotta get. But anyways, guys, my name is Stu7, and I will see you guys in the next one.